Welcome back to the channel. I am here at AutoZone, well, Advanced Auto. Y'all see that? I have some business to take care of. I'm actually finna go in here and get, I had to order a radiator and a fan for a PT Cruiser. I'm finna do a little side job today. Typical Sunday afternoon. If I ain't doing nothing, I always just like to go make some money. You know, why not? So, I'm gonna do, they got quite a few people in line right now. So when they get cleared up, I'm gonna go over there and see if they have my order ready. I ordered a radiator fan and radiator for PT Cruiser, 07 PT Cruiser. I'm gonna knock out today. Go ahead and make that little extra money. I'm gonna do a video on the many ways you can make money as a technician. A lot of people don't. You should, if you're a mechanic, you should basically never, ever be broke. There's always streams and chances, streams of income you could be generating, making. Okay, I'm gonna go over that when I get to the garage in my home. I'm doing this at home. So when you have your 9 to 5 and you also have your 5 to whatever, or 6 to whatever, however you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. But it's a lot of different ways you can make money, or you should be making money. You should utilize your talent, man. If your talent is working on cars, you might as well maximize it in the form of making money. All right, so I'll get back with y'all. Johnny Thomas.
Can I see your ID? 620.
Yeah, man.
002.
Yes,
Check.
sir. That's it.
No, make sure it's right one.
It is. I remember the numbers by heart. I'm ready to hold. Try, man. Side job, baby. Radiator and a fan. A PT Cruiser. About to go knock this out. This should take me no more than an hour to do. That would probably put $350 in my pocket, I know. So why not do this, man? When you got the skills and the talent to do stuff like this, go ahead and do it, man. It's just another revenue stream that you have at your disposal. All right, appreciate that, Advanced Auto. I actually ordered this stuff online. They were supposed to have it ready, but I let them slide, okay? So I'm gonna get out of here, man, go handle this job right quick. Thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.